Every single day, your brain is a muscle waiting to be trained. So let's dive into how you can unlock its full potential. First, think of reading as fuel for your mind. When you read daily, you're not just passing time, you're boosting your memory, sharpening your focus, and building a vast well of knowledge. Every page you turn is like a gear clicking into place. But reading alone isn't enough. You need to meditate daily too. In just a few minutes of calm, focused breathing, you can cut down on stress, laser in on your focus, and raise your awareness. Imagine your brain like a radio. It tunes out the static and tunes into clarity. Now let's go deeper. Writing ideas daily is like oiling your brain's gears. When you jot down thoughts, you create a channel for clarity. You capture fleeting ideas before they slip away, and your creativity soars. Pair this with exercise. When you move your body, whether it's a morning run or a simple walk, you improve blood flow, support your neurons, and instantly elevate your mood. Think of each step as a spark, wiring your body and mind together. In a world full of distractions, removing them is like wiping a fog off a window. Limit your screen time. Suddenly your attention snaps back and your productivity skyrockets. As you train your brain, you keep a journal, a private record of your progress. Every day you reflect, every day you strengthen your memory, and every day you inch closer to mastery. This consistency is the backbone. Every habit you build is like a brick. Discipline stacking up, laying a foundation for long-term growth. And finally, leaving your comfort zone is where legends are made. Each time you face a challenge, you build resilience. You learn faster and you boost your confidence. This is the journey of a lifetime, a daily grind that transforms your mind, body, and soul. Let's push beyond comfort, because a legend doesn't settle. A legend rises every single day. Every action you take compounds like a force of nature, and today we harness that power by keeping a journal. Think of your journal as a compass. Each entry is a direction marker. When you track progress, you see how far you've come. Reflect every day, and suddenly your goals crystallize. Your memory sharpens, and your sense of purpose deepens. This is where real transformation happens, when you turn fleeting thoughts into a roadmap. And just as your memory strengthens, so does your focus. Each entry is like a mental anchor, pulling you back into what matters. But don't stop there. Consistency is your secret weapon. Every day you show up, you build habits, and you stack discipline like bricks. The magic is this: every small action is a vote for the future you desire. You don't see results overnight, but over weeks and months, you become unstoppable. This is how legends are built, by staying consistent, by trusting the grind, and by knowing that every step forward is a step towards your growth. And as you stay consistent, something incredible happens. You leave comfort behind. Growth lies beyond familiarity. When you step outside what's easy, you build resilience. You learn faster because the unknown pushes you, and your confidence skyrockets, not because you never fail, but because each challenge makes you stronger. Every time you leave comfort, you rewrite your future. Faster learning, deeper confidence, and an unstoppable drive. So today, take a step beyond your comfort, and tomorrow, watch as you rise. Every day you stand at a crossroads, and the choices you make train your brain to be a powerhouse. Now let's talk about how you amplify all of this by embracing focus. When you limit distractions, you don't just save time, you reclaim your attention. Think of your focus like a laser beam. It slices through the noise and ignites productivity. It's not just about cutting screen time, it's about sharpening your awareness. Each minute you devote without distraction is a minute that builds mastery. So picture your mind as a garden. When you prune the weeds of distraction, your focus blooms like a field of wildflowers. And once you have focus, you build a routine that's a launch pad for success. Routines are like a clockwork engine. They keep you moving even when motivation falters. When you wake up and follow your routine, you build habits that propel you. Each day you show up, you build discipline, like a muscle that never quits. And this is where long-term growth explodes. You don't need overnight miracles, you need daily actions, and when you stack them one after another, you become the architect of your own legend. The world rewards the bold, the ones who break through fear and step into unknown territory. Every time you leave comfort, you gain an edge. You learn faster because failure stops being a threat, it becomes a teacher. Your confidence rises like a tide. Each risk, each challenge, each step out of comfort drives you forward. And when you look back, you won't just see a journey, you'll see a legend in the making.